Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ricardo, and today I'll be teaching you some tips and tricks on how I go by drawing anime eyes. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we're gonna talk about how to draw eyes. Well, enemy eyes. And I'm gonna try to show you I'm gonna try to show you a simple way on how I go by doing eyes. So alright, so first thing first. Eyes, right? So the simplest way I can figure out how to do eyes, well, easiest way to show you guys how to do eyes is think about a 3D circle or a Pokemon ball. I don't know, an egg, something 3D, but it's a circle. So check this out. So I'm gonna draw a circle. Circles are hard. Everyone hates drawing circles, right? So you have the circle, right? So now let me do a let me turn on the opacity for it. So think about this circle as a 3D object. So just think about it in 3D. So now let's draw the eye on this egg. I think it's shaped more of an egg than a Pokemon ball. But anyway, check this out. So you start from here, one side, and you go up. So now you're thinking about a 3D object. So if you're doing a 3D object, it's gonna be like curving the circle. You stop at the other side, then you go down. So because you're doing anime eyes, right? You don't need to do this. You can just stop somewhere, just for the bottom, and bam. Put the line there, and you get the curve. So now you're gonna draw one more circle, but this time it's more a oval type circle. So you do this, bam, see? It's like an oval, right? And you draw a next circle again. But this time you're gonna add highlights to it. So highlights here, you go around. See, shade it in, bam. If you turn off your first Pokemon ball or egg, bam. See the high right there. So now we're gonna put eyelashes on. We're gonna get the top a bit thicker, some eyelashes, and then the highlight is right here. Hold on, this eyelash is too weird. Highlight right there, and then eyebrow. Boom, done. So now you have an eye, right? So let's do a next one. Let's do a next circle, but this time I'm gonna draw the cutie eyes. I hate drawing that, so it might be hard for me, but I hate doing it. You know those anime eyes with the big ass pupils? So hard. But anyway, let's try it. Circle again. This time it looks a bit more like a circle. And let's do the same thing. Start from one side, we're going up, going around this circle. Or the egg, let's call it egg. We're going around the egg. Then we're gonna come down. And then we stop. Those big eyes, they don't really finish the entire thing like this. They just stop down here. Let's do this, right? They're looking like something. And now the pupil need to be, that's the hardest part about this thing when it comes to the big anime eyes. Let's try to do the oval. It might look stupid, but I'm gonna try. Make a next like this. Get the highlights and go around. Let's turn off the egg. Not bad. I'm not too proud of it, but like I said, I suck at this one. Whoop. There you go. There you go. See? Not bad. Well, the trick is right here. There we go. How about that? Not bad. Let's do right. These two eyes looking like they're looking from the side. Let's do it straight forward. Here we go. My egg again. And now we're gonna be starting out. There we go. Remember, think about it as a 3D object. So the line is wrapping around the circle. And then down, and then you do this. See? So I'll make the curve because I'm wrapping around the circle. Well, the egg. And then you're going to put the eyes in the middle. There you go. And this, and then that. And then this, I highlights again. And shade. A dude, if it's a dude eye, no eyelashes. If it's a female eye, you want to put eyelashes on there. You can put some down here if you want. Well, you know, this line doesn't look too right. Let's pretty it up. And you take away your egg. And bam, they're looking straight at you. So this is my way of doing eyes. So let's put this into practice. All right. So, okay. So let's, like I said, let's put this in practice. So let's draw the head first. So we're going to have this person looking at somebody. I don't know, but let's see. Draw my head. Whoop, ears. Down. Ooh, that's off. That didn't look right. There you go. Like this. Alright, I think this is, let me move this over. Shrink. Bam. Alright, I'm just going to put guidelines so you guys kind of have an idea. So something like this. Bam. So, you know, this line in the middle here helps line up the eyes on the face, how the face is looking, where the face is looking. Actually, this eye is to, there you go. Alright, let's do the circles. So we have a circle here, circle there. Well, circles are big, but whatever. Alright. So, like I said to you before, wrap it around, go around. I'm going to go fast, but you guys have the idea. The eyes are very big, because my circle is still big. But I'm going to shrink it. See, I'm going to turn off my eggs. Bam, you see that? Ta-da! The eyes. But let me clean up the eyes, because it's kind of sloppy on it. And I'm going to get it smaller, because I did a sloppy job with my circles. With my X, sorry. But you guys get the idea. Alright. Now I'm gonna slap the nose on. Alright, person is looking. And someone. I'm gonna fix this up a bit. I don't know who I'm drawing right now. I'm just I'm just drawing. There. Okay, so let's do the face a bit better. Let's give this person a health. Why not? Wee. Alright, let's turn this to a health. You know, I don't know why I have a hard brush, because I didn't make everything look so hard, so bad. Ooh, weird eyelashes. Again, I'm not really thinking of the person right now, I'm just drawing. Anytime you draw something, you need to think of what you're drawing. I'm just on autopilot right now, trying to do something. Ooh. Let's do that. There. Like, huh. Who are you looking at? That's her face. I think that's what she's saying. See? Elfie elf. Let me do the flip. Always have to do the flip, man. Gotta do the flip. And see, I do the flip, and this eyes over here is way too big. I'm gonna move this one too. All right. And let's put some hair in this person. I can't really think of who right now, so just do a random hairstyle. And let's go in with the flow. Again, guys, if you are drawing something, make sure to know what you're drawing, because if you don't, it's gonna be hard. You're gonna keep repeating yourself, trying to figure out what are you drawing. Like I said, I have no idea. What am I doing right now? Okay. See, I'm just making random hair stuff. I'm not even sure if I should leave this here. I don't know what this is. What do you guys think? Get rid of this? He looks like a dude. Like a pretty health dude. Might as well just turn that to a health dude. Maybe. Well, yeah, I think it looks like a dude, right? Yeah, it does. Well, I guess it's gonna be a dude today. Like I said, I wasn't even thinking what I'm gonna draw. I just slap some hair on it. And this is what I get. Dude. Or a girl. Anyone you want it to be. Maybe if I'd put some more high lashes, can I force the look? Maybe if I make the nose smaller. Did that help? No, it did not. Something about this eye, right? This, I don't know. Something about this is throwing me off, man. Much better. Anyway. Oh, I know what's going to help. If I drag the person's face even down longer. What if I do this? longer. There you go. There you go. Longer. And move them out up. See that magic? And I think it definitely looks like a dude now. Yeah. But again, this was just to show you how to use a circle to draw eyes. Not bad. But there you go. There you guys have it. So, yeah, let me turn on the other eyes. Oop, nope. Nope. Where are they? They're somewhere. Alright guys, so hopefully this is helpful and you guys can use whatever I show you to create your own artwork. So there you have it. Alright guys, if you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment below.